Hey boys and girls, so today we're going to do a direct drawing for what sound, what sound, what sound, how do I write S? So Miss Norrod was really hoping that it was going to be a snake because that's pretty easy for me to draw, but instead they made it this big word called ambitious. Ambitious means it's something that if it's a little ambitious, you really want to do something hard or you want to do something that might be a little tricky. So they made it ambitious. And we're going to do a squirrel. So I'm going to try my best, and I know you will too. And as always, I'm sure your squirrels are going to look much better than mine. So I'm going to start at the top. I'm going to leave a little bit of space at the top. I'm going to go ahead and do a circle for his head, there, and kind of an oval for his body. So go ahead and do that now. Fix what I just messed up right there. Boys and girls, I'm telling you, it's tricky to draw on this screen here with your finger. Ugh, I just don't like any of that. Okay, let me try again. There we go. Okay, that looks a little bit better. All right, so squirrels have really bushy tails. So bushy means like full and thick, and it's very furry. So we're going to give him a big bushy tail. Okay, so go ahead and give him his big bushy tail. We're going to give him two small ears on the top, like triangles. Go ahead and do that now. And then we're going to come back to his body and just do a little line here, because on a squirrel's body, like he's mostly brown on his body, but underneath, like where his belly or his tummy is, it's white. So we're going to do a little line there to show his white belly. All right, we're going to come back and do his little arms. So he's got some little arms, 1, 2, 3. And then another one. Oh, that doesn't look good either. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, and then another 1, 2, 3. His little arms. Go ahead and do that there. And then his legs are kind of the same way. Ooh. Miss Norman wants to try that again. All right. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's too thin. 1, 2, 3. I'm telling you, you guys can do better than me. 1, 2, 3. Nope. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Okay, as you can see, I am trying my best, but things are hard for me now. I'm not throwing down and having a fit like a baby, am I? No, I'm trying my best. But I also notice, if I want to try something again, I don't get mad. I just try it again and keep going. I know that drawing is hard for me, but as long as I'm trying my best, that's what matters. Same with you. All right, circle, circle for his eyes. All right, let's give him like more of an oval for his nose. He's going to have the mouth like the rabbit and the cat. And he also has whiskers, but they're a little bit smaller than like the rabbit. Oh, he looks pretty cute so far. Not so bad, see? Not too bad there, Miss Noron. All right, we're going to go ahead. Ooh, I kind of ran out of room. I got some room. All right, we're going to go ahead and write the word squirrel. Squirrel. So what sound? What sound? What sound? How do I write S? So I'm going to do S. All right, then it has a Q. Squ, squ. I'm going to make an O. I'm going to close it up. I'm going to come straight down and curve backwards. If I have a Q, what letter do I have to have next? Do you remember Q and U? We learned that this week. All right, Squirrel. Squirrel. What sound? What sound? What sound? How do I write S? All right, so they're brown, so I'm going to start with this tail. All right, while I'm coloring, I'm going to try to think of some other things that start like S. This one's probably a little bit easier. There's a lot of things that start with S. So I said snake earlier. That's the one I was kind of hoping we would draw because that would have been a little bit easier. I went too fast. But that's okay. Our squirrel looks cute. He's cute. We did good. All right, so snake, squirrel, snake. What else starts like s? There's a type of bird called a sparrow. There's another type of bird called a stork. Don't know why I keep thinking of birds. Did you know that Miss Norada's actually scared of birds? She doesn't really like them. They scare her. Not if there's just one or two, but when there's a whole bunch of them, that kind of freaks me out. I know, silly, right? Silly to be scared of birds. All right, what else starts with things like s? Ooh, something I like to eat starts with it. Two things I can think of. Strawberries. Ooh, I love strawberries. Steak. I love some steak. Let's see what else starts with s. Stars. Starburst candy starts with S. Syrup, like you put on pancakes. Stereo, which can be another name for a radio, which you probably don't even have one of those anymore. Um, let's see what else can start with S. What can you think of? Can you think of anything else that starts like S? Lots of people's names start with S, like Stephanie, Steve or Steven. Um, sister starts with S. All right, I'm going to leave his belly white because remember we said the under part is white. Oh, you know what I forgot to say started with R for yesterday? Ross, my kitty. I just thought of that. Yeah. All right, superhero starts with S. Spider-Man, Superman. That starts with S. Sleeping Beauty, sleeping starts with S. Sleep. Scissors. Skateboard, skates. Swimming. All right, let's see what color they have for his eyes. They made his eyes gray, so I'm going to get my gray. His eyes gray. And they did his nose, ooh, his nose pink. Let me see what they did for his ears. His ears are brown. Okay, so his ears are brown, so everything else is brown. Salamander, that's an animal that starts with an S. Sing or singing starts with S. Do you like to sing? I love to sing. Not very good, but that's okay. Still love to do it. All right, I'm going to try this again where I color over his face and then try to draw back over it. You don't do that. You can color around yours. Oh, stingray, shark. Well, shark is SH sound, but it still starts with an S. But stingray, sea turtle. Okay, so let me go back and fix his face real quick. Oh no, is it not going to let me this time? Did I ruin it? I see, that's what I don't understand. Sometimes it'll let me, and sometimes it won't. I don't know, guys. Maybe because I already colored underneath it. Maybe it'll let me draw on top of it, but not color on top of it. Okay, we'll keep his eyes gray. See, look, it will over here. I don't understand why it works on some and not on others. Okay, well, tried our best. I don't really know. All right, pretty good. So there's our squirrel, and I know yours will look really good. Can't wait to see him. Bye-bye.